I would say that high nitrogen pressure can increase the pressure, can increase the flow, and we have got PSB here, and we have got RO, that is safeguard.
Actually, are we at choked flow? Are we at choked flow?
Yes.
See,
So, guys,
actually, we are using cyclic purging. Everything is cycling. There is no continuous operation on it.
Exactly.
So cycling, we stop at a point, then we start the depressurization.
Okay.
We reduce the pressure up to the 20 psi, 10 psi, whatever the desired pressure, then ramping up the pressure to reach us with a safe pressure, and then we stop the nitrogen injection. Once stopped, then we are doing the depressurization. So it's not continuous operation. One side is feeding, another side is depressurization. It's not allowed.
So I have to rule out. I have to rule out the cause. Either I will say no credible cause identified for more flow. This is a cyclic operation for depressurization and purging.
Correct.
And no possibility of high nitrogen pressure, right? Controlled, something like that.
It's correct.
Cyclic operation. Purging operation. Right, Kumarsan, is it okay? Do you agree?
Correct. Yes, agreed.
Okay, good guys. So let me again review it. So we say that there is no possibility of high pressure and more flow because we have the controlled activity, and PSV as well as RO is there. I would say that PSV and RO is equipped. System. Okay, very good. Thank you, guys. So more flow, we have said reverse flow. So guys, reverse flow is the only one possibility. I want to ask operation Kumarsan, when you are deciding to purge one bullet, is there any possibility other bullets may also go for purging, or this flare line get some